Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best carpet wheels is probably one of the most overlooked upgrades for your office setup, but trust me, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to the frustrating struggle of your chair getting stuck or leaving marks on your carpet. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of carpet wheels, exploring what makes a great set, and helping you find the perfect ones to glide effortlessly across your floor. Number 5. Lifelong office chair wheels, as seen on CNN. Tired of replacing your chair wheels? These heavy-duty wheels are built to last. Made with industrial-grade materials, they're designed for long-term, stable support. Say goodbye to scratched floors. These replacement wheels glide smoothly on various surfaces, including wood, tile, and carpet. Enjoy a carefree glide all day long. Worried about compatibility? These wheels fit almost any rolling chair. Please note that they are not compatible with IKEA chairs or some off-brand chairs. Check the size before ordering. Tired of noisy chair wheels? These roller casters provide a silent and smooth experience. You'll glide around your office without any squeaks or distractions. Need strong and reliable wheels? These are carefully crafted from strong materials and can bear up to 650 pounds. They provide sturdy support for your daily activities. What we like. This product is built to last with industrial-grade materials. It protects your floors from scratches and damage, eliminating the need for mats. If you're looking for a long-term solution that combines durability and floor protection, you should consider this. What people say. They fit perfectly and were very easy to install. They are quiet and smooth rolling. They glide effortlessly, even over a mat on thick carpet, and maneuverability has improved immensely. Number 4. Lifelong office chair wheels replacement, set of 5. Tired of replacing your chair wheels? These heavy-duty casters are built to last. Made with industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane, they can support up to 650 pounds. Say goodbye to chair mats. These wheels won't scratch or damage your floors. Enjoy smooth, safe gliding on any surface, from wood to carpet. These wheels are designed to fit almost any rolling chair. Just check the size before you order. Please note, they are not compatible with IKEA chairs. Forget squeaky chairs. These swivel casters provide silent and effortless movement. You'll glide around your office in peace. These uniquely designed wheels are made of high-strength materials. They offer great stability and durability, with a 650-pound load capacity. They provide reliable mobility for your office and daily life. What we like. These wheels are designed for smooth and silent gliding. They are made with high-strength materials and can support up to 650 pounds. If you value a quiet and reliable office environment, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The stems on the new casters were easy to install in a few minutes. They continue to roll very freely from over 3.5 years of nearly daily use. They are well made and worth the purchase price. Number 3. TICONN Office Chair Caster Wheels, Black. These caster wheels are designed for universal compatibility, fitting most rolling chairs. They are made with premium components, including a heavy-duty carbon steel bracket and wear-resistant polyurethane casters. Please note that it does not fit IKEA chairs. Experience a smooth, quiet glide on any flooring type. The design minimizes gaps for a seamless rolling experience. The casters support up to 650 pounds. Feel free to move around on any surface, even in quiet environments. It eliminates the need for a desk floor mat, perfect for shared offices or home use. These wheels are a great replacement for your old ones. Upgrade your chair with minimal effort and protect your floors. Replace your noisy chair wheels and enjoy silent, free movement. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Enjoy risk-free shopping. What we like. This product offers a universal fit for most chairs and ensures a quiet, smooth glide on all surfaces. It eliminates the need for a desk floor mat. If you are looking to upgrade your office accessories and home office supplies, you should consider this. What people say. These glide effortlessly across tile, hardwood, and even low-pile carpet with zero noise and no damage to my flooring. Easy install, tip chair over onto a couch or bed. Pull old casters out with minimal effort, push new wheels in, repeat 4 times and you are done. They not only raise the chair some but glide smoothly over carpet, were easy to install with the old casters harder to remove than installing the replacements and actually provide for smooth comfortable movements around my small office. Number 2. TICONN Office Chair Caster Wheels, Transparent. These caster wheels are designed for almost any rolling chair with a standard stem. They are made with heavy-duty materials, including a powder-coated carbon steel bracket and wear-resistant polyurethane casters. Please note that it does not fit IKEA chairs. Experience a smooth, quiet glide on all flooring types. The design minimizes gaps for a seamless roll, eliminating the need for a chair mat. The elastic polyurethane casters provide enhanced comfort and quietness. Feel free to move around on any surface, even during quiet times. These wheels eliminate the need for a desk floor mat, making them perfect for shared office spaces, gaming environments, or home offices. They are a great replacement for your old chair wheels. Upgrade your chair and protect your floors with minimal effort. This system eliminates squeaks and noise, allowing you to move freely and quietly. It's an investment that protects everything around you. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Enjoy risk-free shopping with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This product offers a universal fit for most chairs and ensures a quiet, smooth glide on all surfaces. It eliminates the need for a desk floor mat. If you are looking to upgrade your office accessories and home office supplies, you should consider this. What people say. These glide effortlessly across tile, hardwood, and even low-pile carpet with zero noise and no damage to my flooring. Easy install, tip chair over onto a couch or bed. Pull old casters out with minimal effort, push new wheels in, repeat 4 times and you are done. They not only raise the chair some but glide smoothly over carpet, were easy to install with the old casters harder to remove than installing the replacements and actually provide for smooth comfortable movements around my small office. Number 1. Replacement Office Chair Wheels, 3 set of 5. These replacement wheels are made from industrial-grade steel, precision ball bearings, and polyurethane. They are designed to provide you with years of use. You won't need any other desk chair wheels. Save your floors from expensive repair fees and chair mats. These caster wheels are perfect for carpet and allow you to glide across wood, hardwood, tile, or carpeted floors all day long after installing the new set. Designed for use with most office chairs, these computer chair wheels are long-term casters. They fit gaming chairs, computer chairs, desk chairs, and office chairs. These gaming chair wheels won't scratch or leave any markings on your flooring. The top-notch design lets you slide and glide around in total silence. Enjoy this set of 5 desk replacement office chair wheels and never worry about replacing them for years. Get this sturdy and reliable roller blade wheels office chairs set by clicking Add to Cart now. What we like. These wheels are designed for long-lasting durability and smooth rolling. They protect your floors from scratches and damage. If you are looking for a reliable and long-term solution for your office chair, you should consider this. What people say. The wheels are very smooth and quiet. They roll very well on carpet. The installation was easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.